Tom, where should we go for lunch today?
Let me think.
Any ideas?
How about the Italian restaurant?
Oh, good suggestion.
Or we could try the new cafe.
I like that idea too.
Wait, this is perfect.
What do you mean?
We're making suggestions right now.
You're right. And that's our topic today.
Today, we're talking about making suggestions.
And giving recommendations.
These are useful skills.
You'll use them every day.
Let's begin. So, Lucy, why is making suggestions important?
Great question.
Tell me,
We make suggestions all the time.
when?
When we plan with friends.
What else?
When we help colleagues at work.
True.
When we give advice to others.
It's a social skill.
Exactly, it helps us connect with people.
So, what's the easiest way to make a suggestion?
The simplest way is let's.
That's easy.
Let's go to the cinema.
Perfect.
Let's have coffee.
Very natural.
Let's means let us.
It's inclusive.
You're including yourself in the plan.
What's another way?
You can say, how about?
Can you give examples?
Of course. How about pizza for dinner?
Good one.
How about meeting at 6 o'clock?
I like this phrase.
It's very common.
What else can we say?
Why don't we?
That's a question.
Yes. Why don't we go to the park?
Sounds natural.
Why don't we watch a film?
These are all great phrases.
Very useful for daily life.
I had a student called Sofia from Italy.
What happened with Sofia?
She started a new job in London.
Okay.
Her colleagues always asked, "What should we do for lunch?"
That's common.
Sophia felt shy at first.
Did she make suggestions?
Not at the beginning.
Why not?
She wasn't confident with English.
That's understandable.
But then I taught her these phrases.
Which ones?
Let's try that sandwich shop, and how about the park?
Simple suggestions.
Exactly. She started using them.
Did it work?
Yes, her colleagues loved her ideas.
That's wonderful.
She felt more included.
Making suggestions helped her fit in.
Absolutely.
Now let's talk about recommendations.
Good idea.
Recommendations are a bit different.
How?
You're telling someone your opinion.
About something you like?
Exactly. I recommend this restaurant.
That's clear.
Or you should try this book.
Should is useful.
Very useful.
What are other ways to recommend?
You can say, I think you'd like.
That's friendly.
I think you'd like this film.
Personal and warm.
Or you might enjoy.
Can you give an example?
You might enjoy the museum.
That's polite.
Not too pushy.
What if you really love something?
You can say you must try.
That's strong.
Yes, you must try the chocolate cake.
That shows enthusiasm.
Exactly.
My student Kenji from Japan loves recommending things.
Tell me about Kenji.
He discovered all the best places in his city.
That's nice.
Restaurants, cafes, bookshops.
He wanted to share them.
Yes, but he didn't know how.
What did you teach him?
I taught him you should visit, and I recommend.
Perfect phrases.
Kenji started sharing his discoveries.
How?
He'd say, you should visit the bakery on Green Street.
Nice recommendation.
Or, I recommend the ramen place near the station.
His friends appreciated it.
Very much. They asked for his recommendations all the time.
He became the local expert.
Exactly.
What about negative recommendations?
Oh, good point.
Sometimes we don't recommend something.
How do we say that politely?
You can say, I wouldn't recommend.
That's gentle.
I wouldn't recommend that hotel.
Not too harsh.
Or, it's not the best.
Can you give an example?
It's not the best restaurant in town.
That's diplomatic.
You're honest but polite.
What if someone asks for your suggestion?
That's common.
They might say, what do you think?
Or, any ideas?
How do we respond?
You can say, what about? Or, maybe we could.
Maybe we could is useful.
Very flexible.
Maybe we could take the train.
Perfect. I had a student named Ahmed from Egypt.
What's his story?
Ahmed went traveling with his friends.
Where?
Around Europe.
Nice.
His friends always asked Ahmed, what should we do today?
They wanted his input.
But Ahmed felt nervous.
About making suggestions.
Yes, he worried his English wasn't good enough.
What happened?
I taught him simple phrases.
Like what?
We could visit the museum and what about the beach?
Easy suggestions.
Ahmed used them on his trip.
Did it work?
Brilliantly. His friends loved his ideas.
And his confidence grew.
So much. By the end of the trip, he was suggesting things all the time.
That's fantastic.
Let's talk about accepting suggestions.
Good idea.
When someone makes a suggestion, how do you respond?
If you agree.
Say, that sounds good.
Simple.
Or, great idea.
Very positive.
Yes, let's do that.
Clear agreement.
What if you disagree politely?
That's important.
You can say maybe something else.
Not too direct.
Or, I'm not sure about that.
Then make a different suggestion.
Exactly. How about this instead?
That's constructive.
You're being helpful, not negative.
What about at work?
Professional suggestions are a bit different.
More formal?
Sometimes you might say, I suggest we.
That sounds professional.
I suggest we schedule a meeting.
Good.
Or perhaps we could.
That's polite.
Perhaps we could review the document together.
Very diplomatic.
In meetings, you might say, what if we?
That invites discussion.
Exactly. What if we tried a different approach?
Collaborative.
Perfect for teamwork.
My student Priya from India uses these at work.
Does it help her?
Very much.
What does she say?
In meetings, she says, I suggest we focus on the deadline first.
Professional.
Or perhaps we could ask the other team.
Diplomatic.
Her manager told her she communicates well,
That's wonderful feedback.
all because she learned these phrases.
So, everyone listening,
Start using these phrases today.
make suggestions with friends.
Give recommendations.
It's easier than you think.
Use let's. How about why don't we?
Say, I recommend and you should try.
Be polite when you disagree.
Offer alternatives.
These skills help you connect with people.
And make decisions together.
Start practicing now. Let's review the key phrases for suggestions and recommendations.
Yes, let's do it.
Let's go to the cinema.
Let's go to the cinema.
How about pizza for dinner?
How about pizza for dinner?
Why don't we meet at 6?
Why don't we meet at 6?
I recommend this restaurant.
I recommend this restaurant.
You should try this book.
You should try this book.
I think you'd like this film.
I think you'd like this film.
Maybe we could take the train.
Maybe we could take the train.
That sounds good.
That sounds good.
Great idea.
Great idea.
Perhaps we could review it together.
Perhaps we could review it together.
These phrases are so useful.
Use them every day. Great job today.
You did so well.
Practice making suggestions this week.
With your friends and colleagues.
Recommend your favorite places.
Share your ideas confidently.
Thank you for learning with us.
Please subscribe to our channel.
And click the like button.
See you next time.
Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye.
Pronounce faster.